Hey, there you are. Welcome to the 7 Simple Steps to Natural Weight Loss Masterclass. Now, why are you here and why is this class different from the other classes? Well, that's why I'm here for. Again, my name is Connor Cranston. I'll introduce myself in the next slide because I want this to be more for you, right? So why are you here? Could it be you want to lose weight, maintain weight, or these diets that's thousands of them out there that just haven't worked for you, right? Now, I want to make things as natural, pure, and free as possible. My motto in life is, when it comes down to health, is to thrive and live just a natural, pure, and free life as possible, but also at the same time becoming more conscious and ethical within the planet, right? Now, when it comes to diets, right, it's a negative word if you really hear it, right? If you say, hey, try my diet, you're just thinking, oh my God, it's probably gonna be hard. Will it really work? Another diet, whether it's a paleo diet, ketogenic diet, ketosis diet, whatever diets there are out there, right? But the thing is, when it comes to it, we know, most of us already know, 95% of diets don't work. Well, the thing is, everything works if you put the time, the effort, and follow it step by step, right? It's like a formula. So for instance, H2O, when you combine hydrogen plus oxygen, it's going to create water. But the thing is that certain diets, right, they just, when it comes down to it, they don't resonate with certain people. Like Jenny Craig, right? She has a multi-billion-dollar business, but some people can't stand her, right? Because some people don't want to eat 5 meals a day. They don't have that time. And some people just don't want to eat out of pretty much plastic. So my class is going to help you become as natural as possible, right? Learning how to thrive off the land, learning how to become as raw as possible, whether it's choosing a different lifestyle, but making it incorporated with yours, right? Because at the end of the day, this planet is not going to sustain itself the way it's going. We have so much pollution going on. We have so much slaughtering going on, whether it's global warming, whether it's plants, industries, corporations producing it. At the end of the day, though, we all have a say into it, right? And when it comes down to it, you also have a say to it. And also, I want to make this class as fun and simple as possible, right? I heard that, Benjamin Franklin, he said, you can teach me, you can show me, but at the end of the day, if you evolve me, I'm going to learn, not just learn, but take that transformation a lot faster. And when it comes down to it, especially weight loss, right? People want some kind of result, some kind of transformation they can see, whether it's losing 10 pounds, 20 pounds, or just becoming a better person in general, whether it's happier, right? And so I'm going to be breaking down a lot of the myths and a lot of the lies that we've been told by the media, the mainstream, because really, if you look at it, a lot of it is for profit and manipulation, right? There's a reason why this course, whether you invested your time, your money, your energy, because really that's all we have, right? I have literally spent hundreds of thousands of dollars, and not just that, but some time, research to make sure what I'm giving you is 100% legit and my best effort, right? I can't promise or guarantee you anything because nobody really can in life, but this is what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to give you everything that I have in this course, from my mentors, from my hundreds of thousands of dollars of research time, right? And I'll explain more of myself, of course, on the next slide. But really, this is for you. So, whether you believe me, whether this is going to help you out, as long as you get something out of this course, and be honest and let me know, right? And of course, make sure you download the slides and the PDF. The PDF is going to be a little bit longer. You can fill it out as well. So whether you want to print it out or just fill it out along on the computer, so that way, it's fresh in your mind. And I'm going to give you, action steps and homework to actually apply, so that way you're getting the results, right? I learned that people really want 3 things in life when it comes to whether it's learning, being involved or not, right? Like, why do we love movies? It's because it's entertaining, right? Why do people go to school or get a job? Because it's educational. But also, why do people go to parties, dance, get married? Because they want to be involved with something, right? That's why people love going to clubs. That's why people love going to, let's say, travel, because they want to be involved with an experience. So I'm going to give you my experience, and also at the same time what I've been experimenting on, and without letting it go too far, what I tell you and what I say is from my personal experience, right? So if you feel like this is too much for you, because a lot of it is going to be unconventional, right? There's going to be a new paradigm shift. You're going to be hearing things in your head that maybe doesn't value or align with you at the moment, right? Because at the end of the day, I'm taking you from where you are to where you want to be, right? So we're going to be breaking down some myths and some lies and some things that just don't make sense or match up to help you empower yourself, right? Because at the end of the day, what skills do you have to give to the natural world, right? They're saying that in about a couple of years, 20 to 50 years down the road, even 5 years, 50 to 80% of jobs are just going to be obsolete because robots can take it, right? And that's scary. So what skills do you have that you can contribute to the world, right? And by being healthy and more conscious, like remember I said, you're going to be able to make better decisions, you're going to be happier, but also you're going to have more that confidence and let people know. And really the best way to do anything, instead of telling people or getting them to agree with you, is to show them your progress, right? People say, show me your money, like show me your bank account, right? And that's the best way to do it, is to show someone where you're at. That's why people love testimonies. That's why people love images, because it shows them where you've been and how you got to where that area that you are, right? So again, whether you're here to just lose weight, learn a little bit more, or just kind of maintain your weight, because you're going to find a lot of this stuff is just mind-blowing and stuff that I had to do a lot of digging, a lot of research from my mentors, and spending my money and time to make sure not only is it accurate, but it's also empowering, right? And I always say, always just attempt it, right? Of course, if it's dangerous or anything like that, I'm not going to make you do anything dangerous. Don't worry. I'm going to make sure this is safe for you. I'm not going to make you change your whole eating style, anything. But if it works for you, that's perfect, because it's worked for me, and I'm going to tell you what results and also show you where I've been in my journey as well. And without further ado, I'm super pumped that you're here. I'm so happy. And if you want more resources, you can go ahead and go all the way down to the slide. I have my videos from my other websites, and you can follow me on social media. I got a YouTube channel as well. So once again, my name is Connor Cranston, and I'm super happy that you're on here. So let's rock and roll and begin. All right.